Live from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
Well, good morning. Let me tell you guys, the judges are blown away. We are here at the World Balloon Convention at the Sheraton Hotel and Marina. Check this out. These are balloons you never would have thought even could be created by people. Dozens of countries competing for this title. We'll have that report coming up on Fox 5.
Dozens of countries are trying to blow away the judges at the World Balloon Convention this weekend.
And Eric Richards is showing us what it's all about.
Well, when you think about fun balloons, you kind of think, back to your childhood, those swords and those little fun, tiny balloons. Who would have thought the World Balloon Convention would even exist? And it's right here in San Diego. The detail in these creations, magnificent. You are looking at dresses from multiple countries. They're hoping to take home the title. Women actually wearing these. I know there's a contest who pretty much wears it the best. Sandy, you are the balloon expert here. This is magnificent. I don't even have words.
Isn't this amazing? I told you it would blow you away. No pun intended.
Right, there we go. A lot of eye candy here.
Yeah.
The creation's incredible.
Aren't they? I mean...
This Jedi.
This is unbelievable. So I heard that this one took like 300 hours. I mean, the level of detail, it looks like it's actually fabric. He has woven together uninflated balloons, and I can't even imagine the precision that takes.
And Belle?
Oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous? So these must be like really big balloons that she's popped and then used as a fabric.
Right.
I mean, it's just incredible what they do. And I'm sorry, next time I come to the studio, I am not doing one of these. I don't have 300 hours to do that.
No, but you need my hat, so thank you for that.
Yes, and my hat is from the hat competition. This is Amanda Armstrong, one of our U.S. competitors. She made this one, and so I'm modeling it.
We're going to talk with her in a little bit, but so we saw the dresses. I want to talk about this magnificent piece before we walk over there. A little bit of this.
Isn't this unbelievable? This...
From Taiwan, I believe.
From Taiwan. I think he may have had some, a little bit of Pan-Asian help. But, I mean, look at that face. It's made from pieces of uninflated balloons that have been basically, I don't know, like loomed in or...
together,
yeah, I can't even imagine. Wow. I think he had a team of maybe like 27 people. And they only have 27 hours to get everything done start to finish. They can't even bend a piece of metal before that, gong starts.
It's insane. I'm going to leave you here. I'm going to go talk to Amanda. But thank you so much. Love your hat. Amanda, you are representing the U.S. team. This is pretty incredible. You're here crossing your fingers.
Yes, I am. Absolutely. I'm one of two U.S. teams here.
That's amazing. This is your creation behind us.
It is. And this is the Disneyland Magic Castle, and ever since I was a child, this was always a symbol of fun and hope, and I loved it.
And remind the viewers at home that a lot of this is not helium, it's air.
Exactly, and these are all double stuffed balloons, and they get deflated and pushed in, and then you get your tiles, and that's how this one was created itself. So I had fun with it.
Well,
a lot of work.
Well, we sure do love it and appreciate your hours of work. And my fingers are crossed for the U.S. team, of course. Okay, so if you're at home thinking, how do I come to the Sheraton Hotel and Marina? Well, it's pretty simple, guys. Unfortunately, you can't. This is pretty exclusive to the competitors. We're talking dozens of countries. So the winner will be announced tomorrow here at this hotel. So as you just mentioned, Amanda kind of crossing her fingers, hoping the U.S. clinches the title. And that's really what it is, taking home the World Balloon Convention title. We're here at the Sheraton Hotel and Marina. That does it for us. We'll send it back to you.